Do you want to go to Legoland? Legoland!
We are going to Legoland, Florida today in Winter Haven. Family fun. Legoland, Florida! And there is the Legoland Hotel.
There's Legoland.
Say cheese. I'm realizing that. At first I thought you meant just on the ride, and you're like, no, like right now.
The Battle of Bricksburg. It's this one, Bubba. Alright, this is a really cool ride because you're in this Lego ship that goes around this little area, and you can shoot people that are
Not on the ride.
not on the ride. Yeah, exactly. But I'm gonna put the camera away because I'm about to get wet. Thanks, baby.
Mommy has to go potty.
Did you count them all, crew? I bet you did. Now, onwards we sail. Ahoy, me hearties, remember?
The hotel looks like a Legos.
Who's watching who? The turtle's watching all of us.
And the tropical wonderland that is Cypress Gardens.
Perfect.
Sailing into open waters. When I'm coming home to my big ahoy!
It sounds like Miss Piggy Reed needs our help too.
Want to go on the boat ride?
Yes.
Upward!
ハハハハ。
Brady, look this way. Smile.
Dance like Bluey! Go crazy! Brady, go crazy. Mama. Dad.
A team of 15 people, 1,640 hours designed and built.
Cool, Tuka. A whole monster truck made of Lego. Woohoo! Go, Daddy, go! Thoroughly enjoyed watching that. There's my boys.
Good job.
Tough guys, huh?
That fire, boys. You can be real firemen.
Daddy, you were pumping it.
Like your car, Daddy. That's just like your car.
I look crazy. Oh my god, my hair.
Yeah, that's a Ford F-150, Bubba.
Oh.
That's a Ford F-150 Lightning. And it's all made out of Legos. Pretty cool, huh?
I'm excited by this. Rudy, you excited?
I like the cypress trees. All right, let's go.
Haunted house, haunted house.
Haunted house.
We sail. Right, crew. To lift the curse and get me back home, we need to find one.
Mommy,
Nothing in our treasure chest, Pirates, so maybe if we do a good job for Captain Redbeard today, he might share his treasure with us.
Are you excited about Legoland? Dancing crazy. Ah! Shaking butts.
Nothing like that Central Florida heat, you know? Jeez.
Searing sun. Finally.
Now, crew, we need to find my fellow pirate, Calico James.
You want to go on the ride? Yeah. Benjamin, show me. Hello, what you make?
What you make?
awaits the treasure. Turn every door. See? Let the crew feel the wind in their feet.
They're super thirsty.
And the battle rages on.
But this first, find the treasure and lift the curse. Ha ha!
The turtle, who's watching who? The turtle's watching all of us.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's an entrance. You see the little head right there? Oh, yeah.
Brady! Benji! Is that a chicken?
All right, my pirates are ready to go. Give me a big arr!
Let's talk about it.
Let's teach those pesky monkeys a lesson.
You gotta crank it.
Hey, that's all your favorite stuff. Daytona.
Las Vegas.
Creepy crawlies. Ooh, hog swabble.
Glue this together.
I wonder if they glue them all together afterwards.
I'm sure.
Oh, no. No. Who's that? Fish. Fish you. Bless you.
Because they're not bubbling.
All right, so we're going to Legoland, and
Bubba, you want this last peanut butter jelly?
it's fine. Just get in the middle of my shot.
You eat it, Dad. It's a monkey.
Oh, find me another. Good luck, Redbeard.
Now, you need to find and count my stolen treasure. Gators!
Sapphires, Bubba.
I'm sure right after the river ride, we will be going to the historical Botanical Garden.
Gators! That's right, Poppy. There'll be alligators about. Ready! Aim! Fire! Missed again!